ready to make some hoagie rolls. I found this amazing recipe on thekitchenwhisperer.net. I've made these for my family before and they freaking love them. I do my dough in my bread maker, and I'll make sure to definitely post the recipe here. And so you're gonna need butter. She calls for unsalted butter. I only have salted and it's worked just fine. Salt, yeast. I use the bread machine yeast because I'm making my dough in the bread machine. This is sugar and of course bread flour. I got all of my ingredients in, getting ready to go into my bread maker where I'm gonna make my dough. The liquid's gonna go in first, then all your dry ingredients go on the top. I make these tiny little holes there where I end up putting the yeast in and it's ready to go in. And the dough cycle in my bread maker takes about an hour and a half. Okay, cycle 8. Let's start. Now it's gonna get going. All right, it is all done in the bread maker now, and I'm gonna pull it out and start making our rolls. All right, so you're gonna get a ball of dough and put it onto like a lightly floured surface. The more flour that gets on it, the denser your hoagie roll will be. I'm just gonna kind of smash it out into like almost like a little square or a rectangle. And then you're gonna fold it in thirds. Just smash it down. So now it looks like this. Smash, smash, and then you're gonna fold it in thirds again. It's gonna feel like you can't, but you can. Okay, so now it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna transfer it over to your baking pan where it's gonna rise for like the next 45 minutes. So this is what they look like after I've kind of rolled them out and folded them up. You can see they're all kind of different shapes and sizes, and they typically makes 8 of them, but I think I got a little overly ambitious on that first one right there and made it a little bit bigger. Now you're just going to cover it up. I use like a flour sack towel, but you're gonna cover it up for about 45 minutes, let it rise. They'll about double in size before you need to bake it. These are finally about twice the size. These took about 40 minutes to do that. Now I'm gonna brush, the top one's already brushed with butter, but I'm gonna brush these with a little bit of butter. I've done it with an egg and some milk before too. It just helps like brown them up a little bit when you're cooking them. We've got our oven preset at 375 and we're gonna bake these for around 20 minutes. All right, here they are, fresh out of the oven. Looking good. Here's a little video of the inside in case you're interested in what it looks like on the inside. They may have could have been cooked for a little bit longer, but it's definitely not doughy in the middle, and we still like our bread a little bit on the soft side. I'm about to butter this one up because my kid's just gonna eat it with butter.